Hi, everyone. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. It's Super Bowl weekend. This is a great opportunity to align your business with some of these great Super Bowl ads. Some of them have been released already. Some will only be released on Sunday. So see if they're ones related. I think we're going to see things about culture, about the new way of doing business. There could be some really cool things that you could align. So be ready to send that pitch Sunday when you see it and follow up Monday, because that's when they're going to be talking about Super Bowl ads. I actually had 19 interviews last year the day after Super Bowl Sunday. So it is a great way to get publicity for your business by aligning yourself with those ads. So that is this week's PR tip. And this week, I want to get you all excited. We had a big announcement yesterday. And if you didn't hear it, it's on the YouTube channel. You can look. It was the video right before this one. Or go to captivateandcashinlive.com. We're hosting a live event in Dallas, Texas later this summer. All COVID protocols in place if they need to be, hoping that by then we're somewhat back to normal. But we are going to make you into an A-lister. We are going to show you and bring you A-listers to help you do it and just really elevate your game so that you stand out in your industry. So check it out. Get on the wait list. The specific details are not quite available yet, but captivateandcashinlive.com. And I hope to see you all in Dallas. And if you come, I know for sure we're going to see you in the media.